Can't start your game because of the Unity IL2CPP engine DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows developer, and let's solve this library conflict so you can get back to what matters. To start our troubleshooting for Unity IL2CPP engine, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Unity IL2CPP engine, the native execution module for Unity IL2CPP-based games, responsible for running gameplay logic compiled into C++ for performance. It forms a core part of the runtime execution layer. If missing or damaged, affected titles may crash early in the loading process, with errors like scripting engine initialization failure. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. If you see a Unity IL2CPP engine DLL alert, it usually indicates a corruption within the Unity engine subfolder of your program, so you should reinstall the affected software to clear the conflict and restore the file. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Unity IL2CPP engine component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. From a cybersecurity perspective, I must warn you never to download files like Unity IL2CPP engine DLL from unofficial repositories, as these are often bundled with malware that can compromise your system's data integrity. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for Unity IL2CPP engine. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and Unity IL2CPP engine error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.